These figures indicate that we are growing in every parameter, that is MSME, agriculture, priority sector, women enterprises, minority community. And if you see this paper, we have achieved all award related to social security schemes. That is APY, we have received award of par excellence, award of excellence, exemplary award of par excellence, award of excellence, then winner of grand APY meet and greet 2022, third this financial year 22-23, just 2 days back we have received one letter from the PFRDA. We are going to facilitate in Delhi on 7th June. Our rank is third among all banks, including 43 RRBs also in APY, Atal Pension Yojana. If we see the shares of Tripura Gramin Bank in comparison to other banks in social security schemes, so our share is PM Jan Dhan Yojana. We are having 50.80% shares in Tripura state. PM Suraksha Bima Yojana, we are having 34.04% share. Then Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, our share is 38.62%, and in Atal Pension Yojana, our share is 54.98% among all banks operating in Tripura state. We have also already having good claim settled ratio in Prime Minister Suraksha Bima Yojana and Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. We have settled in Suraksha Bima Yojana, number of case settlement 12, amount is 24 lakhs given to the beneficiaries, and Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, number of claim settled is 90 or amount is 1.80 crores. Besides that, we are also playing a great role to creating awareness in Tripura state through our financial literacy camps. Then if you see the figures of self-help group financed in Tripura state, we are having a great role and we are having largest share in self-help group through various agencies, that is TRLM, NULM, Mudra, Stand Up India, then Startup India. Even KCC saturation scheme, right now we have a number of loans sanctioned during last financial year, 22,854 in KCC. Mudra loan we have given 15,270, and self-help group we have financed 11,463 self-help groups across states. Even we are also financing fisheries, then animal husbandry, then JLG groups. These are our key achievements. In Stand Up India, we have financed last year 56 loans. Micro food processing number of units we have 6 financed. Then Swanidhi, we have financed 294 street vendors across the state. The Mudra loan we have already covered in all 3 segments, that is Sishu, Kishore and Tarun. In Sishu, we are having 7,405 accounts. In Kishore, we are having 7,448 accounts. And in Tarun, 417 accounts we have financed. We are also financing FPO, Farmer Producer Organization. Right now, we have financed 2 loans. In Bamboo Mission, we are financing. Last financial year, we have financed 5 loans. In rubber, we are also doing. In addition to that, we are also financing housing and education in urban area, semi-urban area, as well as rural area. If we see the segment-wise data, in urban area, we have financed 1,658 loans in housing loans. The amount is 178 crores. And in semi-urban area, 4,577 loans, amount is 249 crores. In rural, 5,882 loans we have already financed, amount is 273 crores. Total in housing loan, we have financed 12,117 loans, amount is 705 crores. So these are the sub key achievement in last financial year. Thank you for coming here. And once again, Tripura Gramin Bank is very thankful to all my dear colleagues from electronic media as well as print media. Thank you.
That one question.